I'm going to tell you the secret for getting the juiciest chicken tikka. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Okay, I'm going to cut straight to it. Taking the time to properly marinate your chicken is the secret to getting lovely, juicy meat. A few simple ingredients layered up with some stunning spices. I've got 3 chicken breasts chopped into decent sized chunks in my bowl here. And to that we're going to add 120 grams or half a cup of full fat Greek yoghurt, plus the juice of half a lemon, 2 cloves of minced garlic and a tablespoon of minced ginger. And now we're going to layer up the flavours with spices, and that's where you get that lovely tikka flavour permeating the chicken. I've got a teaspoon each of ground coriander and paprika, half a teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, mild chilli powder, salt and black pepper. And I'm also adding a pinch of cinnamon. Add those spices to the bowl and give it a good mix together. Now you want to leave that chicken to marinate in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and that'll ensure the chicken is lovely and juicy when it's cooked. And a quick tip here too, if you're using wooden skewers, then soak those in water now whilst the chicken's marinating. After 3 hours, take the chicken out of the fridge. Chicken tikka is traditionally cooked on skewers, and that's what we're going to do. Now I've got these flat metal skewers here that we're going to use, but you can use regular metal skewers or wooden skewers. So we're going to take the chicken out of the marinade, throw it onto the skewers and then place on a tray. I'm going to cook this chicken on a griddle plate, but you can also cook them under the grill or they taste amazing on the barbecue as well. So first we need to brush the chicken with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and then they'll go on that griddle plate. Cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning a couple of times until cooked all the way through with a light char on the outside. Then serve topped with some fresh coriander. You can use this chicken tikka recipe to give the flavour of the meat a real lift in most curries, or serve them just as they are with some flatbreads and fresh coriander. Really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new recipe videos every Monday and Thursday. Bye!